everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add follow button on Facebook. So first thing is open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, the menu icon. Tap that. From the menu icon, you scroll down to the very bottom and tap on setting and privacy. Then tap on setting. Once you're at the setting page, you need to go down and on the audience and visibility, you need to tap on followers and public content. Tap that. Now on the top, you will see the option who can follow me. Followers see your post, reel, story and sound bites in feed. Each time you post or create a reel story, you choose which audience you want to share it with. Once you're on this page, you will see who can follow me on privacy setting. Now here, what you need to is select the option everyone to follow you on Facebook. That is, you tap on public. This will allow others to follow your public post similar to the follow button like on Instagram. Now once that is done, you can check whether this setting has been updated or not. That is, you can view your profile as a visitor and you will be able to find whether the follow button is there or not. For that, go to the profile of yours. Tap on your profile icon. Then you need to tap on the three dotted lines just beside edit profile. Tap that. And from the profile setting, you tap on view as. You tap on it. Now this will show you how your profile will look to the other person when they visit your profile. You can see the follow button on your profile right there. So this is a way how you can add follow button on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.